has started. Okay, so as I told you, I am going to start with question number 2. All of you, so I am taking answer 2. With same center O, draw two circles of radii 2.6 centimeter and 4.1 centimeter.
Chapter 13.
13.1 exercise, beta, practical geometry. We are on everyone have taken out this exercise? Quickly tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, what you are writing? You have to write in notebook.
Yes, beta. You have
Okay,
to
ma'am.
give that. So answer 1 will be your homework. For that, I will send you the screenshot. Okay? But here, first, understand this answer 2. First of all, look at the screen. I have taken my point O. If you will not choose the point O in the exam, अगर आपको circle में बोला गया है center name is O and you are not mentioning O point, you will lose half marks. Okay? Now you are going to place your compass needle at O. Okay? Now before you keep it, you should, all of you know how to take this 2.6 centimeter. Let me show you here. Like here, you will keep the needle at O, and for 2.6, I am going to take this way. Is this point clear? How to open the compass?
Yes, ma'am. Making.
Yes. Okay. So I have taken 2.6 centimeter. Now I am going to draw the circle of this. Okay. So I am making a circle with 2.6 centimeter. Done this step? Yes. Have you done? Okay. बेटा कंस्ट्रक्शन में ना बेटा साथ के साथ आप ये स्टेप करोगे. देन विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्केल you are going to draw the line, that is the radius. From center I am making a line here. So with the center I have drawn the line. Whenever you will draw the radius, let me tell you, center और radius दोनों के points label होने चाहिए. So because no other point is mentioned to us, so it is our choice to take any point. So I am taking point A. So this OA will be called as radius, or this OA is radius 2.6 centimeter. Up to this point, any doubt? Yes, class, quickly tell me. Any doubt up to this point?
No, ma'am.
No. Ma'am, please get 2 minutes.
Yes, beta. Beta, I am giving you time. And as I told you in the construction, you might, some children, they draw fastly, some they are slow. So I am recording the session and I will send you the screenshot also of this session. Okay? So even if you miss out any point, ठीक है, या हमने लेबलिंग नहीं किया, जैसे लेबलिंग पार्ट है उसको आप लास्ट में कर लेना, पहले आप ड्राइंग कंप्लीट कर लो. ठीक है. अदरवाइज अगर हम एक एक वन इफ वी आर वेटिंग फॉर one question, it will take longer for us to complete. Yes, Diya, tell me.
Ma'am, I yesterday also I'm not getting my book of math. So, ma'am, the question is 2.6 only, na?
Question is 2.6.
No, ma'am,
Radius.
to draw.
हाँ,
Yes,
radius. Radius is 2.6, beta. Yes, radius is 2.6. Okay.
Ma'am, I
Yes.
have done.
Now, yes. Now, children, we will measure the radius 4.1. Now, quickly adjust your compass. Just a minute. I am taking it. Yes. So keep the center at O. Now open the compass till 4.1. Yes. Now you can see that on the screen, the needle is at O and the pencil is at 4.1. Have you taken out the, have you opened the compass?
Please wait 1 minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now what we will do, we will take this compass, we will put it on the same center O. Now this step is important. I am keeping the needle, keeping the center as O, because in the question it is given to draw the circle with the same center. So I have made two circles which are concentric circles. Okay. Now, let us draw the radius. So, let me take the scale here. Yes. So, I am making the radius. So, you can do it in this way. You can show 4.1 in another, just a minute. Yes. So, this way you will draw one line to show the radius for the outer circle. So, this is our outer circle. Yes. Now, label it as B. So, this is point B and mark it as 4.1. Yes, 4.1 centimeter. In fact, you can write down along with the circle also. Hello. Yes, Rishabh. Okay, I am calling you. Okay, just wait. So, children, we can write down the radius along with the circle. Acha, do you know the special name of these circles? The one which have the same center, the 2 circle or 3 circle with the same center. What do we call them? Just a minute,
Can you
beta.
please repeat?
Shrishti, wait. So the 2 circles with the same center or 3 circle with the same center, they are given a special name. What do we call that circle? Yes. They are called concentric circles. Write down the name here. So just now we have learned how to draw concentric circle. Yes, beta. Yes.
Ma'am, this we have written, ma'am, OA is equals to, ma'am, 4.1 centimeter, ma'am, but which line you have drawn, ma'am, but you have written there, ma'am, A part
Yes,
is
yes,
equals
yes.
to 1.6 centimeter.
Okay, okay. Yes, beta. Yes, yes. This is 2.6. Actually, in this now, one time I do undo, I cannot revert it. So this is 4.1. Yes, beta. Because of the call, I got disturbed. Yes, beta. Now is this clear to all of you? Shall I show the circle again? Or you have drawn the circle?
Excuse me,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
please repeat concentric circle.
Ma'am, the second one you have drawn, ma'am, please tell what is, how much is that?
4.1 radius, beta. 4.1. The second one is 4.1. See, if I am not using the scale, let me make it very clear. If I am not using the scale, doesn't mean that you will also do it. I am doing it so that I can quickly recap, the points with you. Now, as you have asked, concentric circles are the circles. You can write down concentric circles, circles with same center. Write it down, circles with same center. Okay. So the 2 circles, they have same center O. Understood this thing? Yes, class, quickly tell me.
Yes, ma'am, understood.
Okay, now we
Ma'am,
will
circles with same.
center.
Okay.
Okay, it can be 2 circles, 3 circles. Like you must have seen there is a game where we have that arrow to put in the circle. What do you call that arrow? And
Yes, ma'am.
arrow and bow, sorry, not arrow and bow, dart game. Yes, dart. So in that dart you see many concentric circles. Yes. Okay, now we are moving on to the question number 4. Question 3 is your homework. I am on question number 4. Now let us read the question. Dia, listen to me carefully. Draw a circle and any 2 non-perpendicular diameters. If you join the ends of these diameter, what figure is obtained? Then what figure is obtained if the diameters are perpendicular? Now the word perpendicular means 90 degree. Quickly write down in your book. Perpendicular, I am making the symbol of perpendicular. This symbol.
Hemisphere will be made.
Yes, beta.
Hemisphere will be the figure which is made.
Dakshit, wait for my question. Okay. Now, as I told you, perpendicular means 90 degree. Now, here 2 cases has to be done. Now, what you will do, you will start with center. take center O, take any radius, because in the question no radius is given. It is clearly said draw a circle, but you will draw the circle with some center. So I am taking my center as O. Now keep your compass on that center. Better take any measurement, take 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 2.5 centimeter. Open your compass with any radius. Okay, now I am making the circle out of it. Okay, now I am taking another center here. Yes, I am taking another center. Let me call that center to be, let us see, let us take centers P, okay, or C. Let me write down C here. Okay, so we have two circles. You can make same circle. You can, change even the size of the
Excuse me,
circle.
ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, can you explain how to draw this circle?
Ma'am, which is this one?
I'm late.
Naisha, I am
Excuse
recording
me,
this
ma'am.
session. Naisha, I am recording this session. You can, watch this session again. So quickly, I can give you the hint that you have to draw two circles
Excuse
in
me,
this
ma'am.
case.
Excuse
Just
me,
a
ma'am.
bit of, when I am speaking a point, you have to wait.
Ma'am, how can I see this session again?
Beta, I will let you know, because I am doing it, recording it first time. I need to see whether it is available in chat option or activity option. I will let you know, but wait for that. Yes, Shrishti, what is your doubt? Shrishti, what is your doubt?
Ma'am, I am asking that how much is that this circle?
Beta, I told you any radius you can take, 2.5, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter. Definitely, if you take larger radius, it will fill your one page only. And a 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter loge, so it will be very big circle. So try to take 2.5, 2 centimeter is also fine. Yes, Aditya, what is your doubt?
I was saying, ma'am, my network got, ma'am, what is the, ma'am, that centimeter between the second one diagram?
बेटा any radius you can take. अगर आपको question में
Any, ma'am.
नहीं given, हाँ, any you can take.
Okay,
Now
ma'am.
next step is very important. Next step, beta, after making the two circle, now listen to me first. Listen to me. When it is said that draw non-perpendicular, okay, for the non-perpendicular case, you will keep the scale such that your center is not, your lines are not passing through the circle. Now you can see that I have kept the scale such that my line is not passing through the center. Is this point clear? Sorry, I have to take the diameter. Just a minute. Let me just clear this thing. I have to take the diameter. So I am making the diameter. Just a minute. So here I am trying to, keep the angle between them such that it is an acute angle. Now you can see here, I am placing the scale. बेटा मेरे scale की positioning को check करो. How I am doing it? I am placing it such that the two diameters, the gap is very small, or you can say acute angle is forming between these two diameters. I am talking about this portion. ठीक है? So now we have drawn the two diameters. Just a minute. Yes, so now you will label them. Let us call them A, B, and here C, D. Now they have told us to join the diameter. Okay? For joining, just a minute, beta. For joining, let us join A and D. Means you have to join all the vertices. See, I am not using, as I told you, that to make it very quickly. I am joining without the scale, but you will use the scale. So here you are getting a figure which is called as rectangle. Okay? Yes, they are asking you what type of figure you are getting? So answer is rectangle. Okay, yes. Who was asking doubt in between?
Ma'am, I was saying that I was disconnected. Ma'am, can you please
Rahul, because the session is recording, please don't make these statements. It will waste the time when you will watch the videos. Okay, so it's good that you reconnected. This is good. Now for the angles to be perpendicular. ठीक है बेटा, तो this was the case 1. You can even write down in the register case 1 for non-perpendicular. Okay, so this was the case 1 when our diameters were non-perpendicular. Who will tell me what is the meaning of perpendicular? Diya, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, perpendicular means? Perpendicular means?
Ma'am, Astha can tell.
Yes, Asta.
Ma'am, I can tell. Akshit can tell.
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, Pujita can tell.
Yes, Pujita. Pujita, tell
Ma'am,
me.
Harshit can tell. Ma'am, 90 degree.
90 degree. Yes, 90 degree. Now we are doing case 2. All of you write down there. Case 2. Case 2 is perpendicular case. Okay, write down below that perpendicular case. Now in the perpendicular case, you will place your scale such that the two lines are at 90 degree to each other. Okay, so I am placing the scale here. So this is my one diameter. Let me call this diameter as PM. PM. Okay. Now to 90 degree, what you will do? You will place your D. Okay. Look here, all of you. I have placed my D here. At 0, you will place the D. All of you know how to use the D?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the point where I am getting 90 degree. Okay. Now I am rotating my D. All of you look here. I am rotating my D so that I am exactly getting perpendicular line. Okay. This concept is clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Beta, this
Yes,
point,
ma'am.
this is for approximation. I am doing it. Okay. Now we will place the scale. We will place the scale such that I am placing the scale such that it is going to give me the 90 degree line. All of you quickly do it. As I told you, with the scale, it asks for orientations and it takes time. So sometimes the little dimensions I will do it without scale. So just a minute. It is, yes. Now it is there. So you can see the 2 points, the 3 points are in line, but we will draw the line only for the diameter. Okay? So positioning of the scale, we have done such that we are getting the accurate diameter at 90 degree. In fact, you can show here also. This is your 90 degree. This beta, this point, this is your 90 degree. Okay. Now the next step is to label this. So PM and QR. I have drawn the two diameters. Again, the points are very, very important. So here I am joining this, and the type of figure obtained is square. When you have the diameters which are at 90 degree, we get a figure called square. Okay.
But it is like a kite also.
No, beta. It is not a kite. Kite में adjacent sides equal होती हैं, opposite sides equal नहीं होती हैं. ठीक है? All sides are equal here because all sides are equal. Diameter
Excuse me,
90
ma'am.
degree. Therefore, it is a square. Now, one thing more you have to learn, that in this recorded session, when I am speaking, wait for me to pause and then you raise your doubt. Okay, otherwise my voice won't be clear. Yes, Harshit, now ask your doubt.
Ma'am, my doubt is that, ma'am, you when you will see our registers.
Beta, wait, I will see the register in the end because right now session is being recorded. Harshit, okay? So when I will stop recording, last 5 minutes, you will turn the pages and show it. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Any child having doubt in it?
No, ma'am, no doubt.
Okay. Now, beta, disturbance is coming. Harshit, lots of the background noise is there. Okay, done this one. Now we are going to do the question number 5. Yes, all of you come to question number 5. Answer 5. Let A and B, better read the question carefully. Let A and B be the centers of two circles of equal radii. Draw them so that each one of them passes through the center of the other. Let them intersect at point C and D. I am giving you a rough idea here. All of you look at the screen. So here my two circles are such that, so I am taking, centers are given to us. So all of you look at the screen. This is circle 1. Abhi draw nahi karna hai beta. Wait for, listen to me first. This is circle 1 with center A. Now same सेम रेडियस से आपको एक दूसरा सर्कल ड्रॉ करना है. सो द टू सर्कल 1 एंड सर्कल 2 आर ऑफ सेम साइज, ओके, सेम रेडियाई, एंड here will be the center B. तो you can see that सर्कल 2 का जो पाथ है, जो बाउंड्री है, वो सेंटर A से पास कर रही है, और सर्कल 1 का जो बाउंड्री है वो सेंटर बी से पास कर रहा है. ओके, एंड द पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन आर पॉइंट सी एंड डी. This is being, all these points are given to us in the question and you have to strictly use them. Now we have to join CD. इसके बाद लास्ट स्टेप क्या करेंगे? CD ज्वाइन करेंगे और AB ज्वाइन करेंगे. ओके, सो दिस इज द की कंसेप्ट ऑफ दिस आंसर 5. Any doubt in the step of constructions?
No, ma'am.
Okay,
No,
now,
ma'am.
now follow me, because in the question it is not given that what is the diameter or what is the radius. So it's your wish. You can take 3 centimeter, you can take 4 centimeter, but make sure that compass does not change. या आप जब measure कर रहे हो, ठीक है? So here you will put needle. Say I have taken 3 centimeter. मैंने 3 centimeter का compass open किया है. Now I am making a circle with 3 centimeter. Okay. Any doubt in this step? Understood how to draw the circle? Yes, class. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, now you have to place the pencil. Just a minute. I have to place the pencil this way. Yes. My radii got changed here. Beta, be careful, beta. When you are doing it na, here orientation mein my pen this got changed. So yes, better
Ma'am,
now.
I'm asking that we have to make these two circles also.
2 circles also we are doing it. Shrishti, first circle with center A you have drawn. Now for making circle B, all of you look at the screen. For circle B, you will keep the pencil at A and needle on the boundary. Okay, I am making circle second circle with pencil on A and needle on the boundary. So this is my second circle, and now let us label it. So you can say that this is point B, जहाँ पे मैंने needle रखा था. The point of intersection here is C. This point of intersection is D. Now we have to join the points. So all of you take the scale, orient. You have to place it such that C and D are joined. Okay, you will join point C and D. I hope this positioning of the scale is clear to everyone. Yes, class.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
okay. Now let us join point C and D and then A and B. Okay. So I have joined C and D. Now I will join A and D, and these two lines are going to be perpendicular. Now this is the property which you will prove it in 9th class. ये higher class में हम ये property को prove करते हैं कि how come the two lines are perpendicular to each other. Means through theorems we prove it. अभी तो आप through construction prove कर रहे हो, but in higher classes we have theorems, we have proof related to it. Okay, now I am joining point A and B. Okay, understood the construction? Yes, Shrishti. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, we will draw the circle from that line of the circle.
बेटा we will draw the for second circle. जब आप second circle draw करोगे, now look at the arrangement here. I will keep the pencil. I will keep the pencil at center A. At center A,
Yes, ma'am.
you will keep the pencil. और needle कहाँ है? Needle boundary पे है. जो आपका circle 1 था, उसकी boundary पे needle है. ठीक है? All of you have done this one? Done
Yes,
this
ma'am.
question?
Yes,
Okay, very
Ma'am,
good.
please.
Beta, I told you that this recording will be sent to you. ठीक है? You can watch it later. At least you should focus on the process when I am explaining it to us. अच्छा, last में it is given na, examine whether AB and CD are perpendicular. So all of you write down yes, AB, and on the AB you can see line segment is made. Yes, AB is perpendicular to CD.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you now know the symbol of perpendicular. Yes, this is a symbol.
Yes, ma'am.
So write down this expression. After this we will do question number 6.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I hope many of you have done this question. Yes,
Yes,
those
ma'am.
whose labeling
Yes,
part is left can go through the video. Okay, now answer number 6. Now this is very important. अगर आपको answer 6 clear है, this is the foundation. ठीक है? Foundation of rest of the questions. So answer 6, where we have to construct the line segment of length 6.5 centimeter using ruler and compass. ठीक है? हमें ruler और compass use करके करना है. देखो 6.3 सेंटीमीटर डायरेक्टली स्केल से, डायरेक्टली रूलर से ड्रॉ करना इज वेरी इजी, बट हियर we are doing it with the compass. Now what you are going to do this, all of you observe it. In this case you will not measure the directly आप नहीं measure करोगे. You will first draw a line, or draw a line, not the line segment. I am focusing the word here, line. So I am making a line L here. ठीक है? Then what you are going to do, you will take the scale and take the compass. ठीक है? Scale और compass आपको अलग से लेना है. Now you will place the needle at 0 and we need a length of 6.3. So let me open the compass of 6.3. So I have opened the compass till 6.3. All of you can observe the measurement. Is it clear? Yes, class.
Yes, ma'am. Opened.
Yes बेटा, पहले आपको एक एक्स्ट्रा लेंथ की 6.3 से एक्स्ट्रा लेंथ की लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है. देन यू यूज द स्केल, यू यूज द रूलर एंड कंपास. नाउ without disturbing the compass.
Draw line.
बेटा ड्राई जो फर्स्ट लाइन एल है, इट इज ऑफ एक्स्ट्रा मेजरमेंट, मतलब आपको लंबी सी लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है. परवेश पहले पूरी कंस्ट्रक्शन समझ लो फिर ड्रॉ करना. नाउ यू प्लेस द कंपास ऑन द लाइन वेरी परफेक्टली. बिल्कुल भी आपकी कंपास जो है कंप्रेस नहीं होनी चाहिए, मूव नहीं होनी चाहिए. इज दिस पोजीशनिंग क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू? yes or no? Okay, now
Yes, ma'am.
in the question because points are not given to me, it is directly written line segment draw करनी है. So here this point जहां पे आपने needle रखा है, you can label this as point A. Okay, this is my point A and this is my point B. Let me just move this compass a little bit and mark it. तो ये आपका जहां पे कंपास है ना, यहाँ पे आर्क कट करोगे. देखो पहले आपने पॉइंट ए चूज कर लिया. आई एम रिपीटिंग द स्टेप अगेन. चूज अ पॉइंट ए ऑन द लाइन. नाउ ब्रिंग योर कंपास हियर and then cut the line. Now wherever you cut the line, that will be termed as point B. Now this AB is of 6.3 centimeter. Is this construction clear now? पहले आपको एक लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है. First, now I am repeating the step. First, draw the line. फर्स्ट ड्रॉ अ रफ लाइन और एक्स्ट्रा मेजरमेंट की आप एक लाइन ड्रॉ करोगे. चूज अ पॉइंट ए चूज करना है. पॉइंट ए पे निडल प्लेस करनी है, बट वो कंपास जो है 6.3 सेंटीमीटर की आप रूलर से मेजर करोगे. नाउ आफ्टर यू प्लेस द निडल एट ए, कट द लाइन एट 6.3 सेंटीमीटर एंड मार्क द पॉइंट. कंस्ट्रक्शन में सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट चीज दी जाती है पॉइंट्स की. चिल्ड्रन, दे जस्ट ड्रॉ द लाइन एंड दे डोंट लेबल द पॉइंट्स एंड द लाइन सेगमेंट्स, देन दे गेट हाफ मार्क्स. मतलब आपके अगर ये 4 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन है, -2 हो जाएगा स्ट्रेट अवे. एम आई क्लियर विद ऑल दीज पॉइंट्स? यस. एनी डाउट in this?
No,
Have
ma'am.
you drawn this diagram?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. We have drawn.
Please
Okay.
it.
Okay, beta. Okay. All of you draw it quickly so that I can give you the hint for question number 7 and 8. I will give you the hint. Beta, question 7 or 8 ka I am giving you the hint. And next class you can ask the doubt. Okay, now
They were with the homework.
yes beta. Yes,
The
answer
7 and 8 are the homework.
yes beta, 7 and 8. In fact, few other questions are also homework. I will send you that in my message. All of you listen to me carefully and draw a rough diagram of answer 7 in the copy. जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे आपको रफ डायग्राम बना के दिया है ना, सेम वे डू इट फॉर आंसर 7. आंसर 7 is homework, so understand the steps of construction I am explaining. Let us read the question. Construct AB of length 8.3 centimeter. Now AB is not a line, it is a line segment. हमें symbol दिया हुआ है, ठीक है? So AB, which is a line segment. This line segment is of 8.3 centimeter. From this, cut off AC of line segment this. Now first of all write down the given quantity. AC is given 5.6 centimeter. Now they are saying to cut out the AC. Measure the length of BC. Measure the length of BC. Then we have to find out BC. Okay. We have to find out BC. So because it is given AB is 8.3, just a minute, I am explaining it. Okay, I am doing it here, beta. So first you will draw with the scale, okay? With the scale, with the ruler, draw a line AB of 8.3 centimeter. Now you will place your compass, you will open a 5.6 measurement of compass, ठीक है? ये जो compass आप open करोगे 5.6 measurement का open करोगे, place it on needle A and say if this is 5.6. Now you will cut the line AB, ठीक है? जैसे ही आप line AB को cut करोगे, you will get point C. Which is point this? This is C, which is at 5.6. So this arc is very important. देखो AC को आप scale से directly कर सकते हो, but question में क्या दिया है? Cut out, ठीक है? Cut off AC of length 5.6. Now we have got AC. Next step क्या है? Measure the length of BC. तो ये आप scale को यहाँ पे place करोगे, ठीक है? You will place your scale. You just a minute. You will place your scale such that and you will measure the length of BC. Is this point clear to everyone? Steps are clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now shall we start question number 8 and then you will show me the register? Is this point? Yes, class?
Okay,
Shall-
ma'am.
Okay, now I am explaining you question number 8. So answer 8 key points. Hint I am giving you. Draw any line segment PQ. When it is given any line segment means आप कोई भी measurement choose कर लो, ठीक है? You can take 7 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 10 centimeter. It is your choice. Without measuring PQ, construct a copy of PQ. Now all of you look here. I am taking a line PQ. So scale से, with the help of scale, draw any line segment PQ. Say I have drawn it for 6 centimeter. ठीक है? Up to this point, any doubt? Any doubt in
No,
this step?
ma'am. No.
Okay. Now we
ma'am.
have to. Now
No,
the
ma'am.
important point is copy. अब हमें इसको copy करना है. तो कैसे copy करेंगे? All of you look here. So we are going to measure this. ठीक है? With the help of, you will place the needle at P and place the pencil at Q. Here you have for this you will draw a line L. ठीक है? Line L draw करना है. Now bring this compass here. So what I am doing? I am getting the copy of my, just a minute here. So this becomes the copy of PQ. So here, this is also PQ. ठीक है? Line L पे I have drawn a line segment PQ of 6 centimeter. Is this point clear? How to draw the copy?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
ठीक है?
Yes.
So first step is to draw the PQ with the scale.
Okay,
पहले तो आप scale रखोगे, PQ को draw करोगे, then remove the scale, bring your compass, ठीक है? Bring your compass, place the needle at P, place the pencil at Q. Now your compass is of same radius. Okay, now bring this compass on the next line and cut the line. Okay, so this will be your point Q. Any doubt? Any step you want me to repeat?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am, no doubt.
Okay, now children,
Yes,
I am stop recording it now. Start showing me the
Yes, ma'am.